Shannonville. We are on our way to Shannonville. Port Hope en route. Whoever. I feel like the exhaust leak has gotten worse on the truck.
Oh, probably.
Oh, listen to it. It's gotten louder.
Next thing you know, the cat's on the ground.
Well, quick update. The truck, as we were pulling in, I thought it had an exhaust leak, and it sorry. Got an exhaust leak, but it also, oh look at that, Ames doing the window, but it also sprung a power steering leak. Wow, perfect. Soaked the whole inside, all underneath is just soaked. It's pissing out over where the rack is, right on this side. It's shooting up over here and it's soaking it. That's what's been dripped since we got here, but I'm gonna get more power steering fluid and I'm just gonna drive it like this, the way it is now. It can empty the rest of the fluid, whatever, and then when I get into town or just before I get off the highway, I'm gonna dump some in and see if that can get me through town before it leaks out, and see if we can fix it at the track tomorrow. I guess that's the only thing we can do. Yeah, Amy's giving me tips because I'm still new, but first hiccup going to the drift event. I kind of had a feeling it would happen, but what can you do? We're here, so this is the cards we're dealt, so we're gonna see if we can make a hand out of it. We didn't even have power steering fluid at the gas station, so I had to run automatic transmission fluid, so we're gonna run that. And it's basically just a full send from here. Like, it's a Hail Mary. So
I got my slushie.
yeah, she's happy she got her slushie. But well, I knew something was gonna happen. So at this point, as long as I make it home alive with these two vehicles, they're pulling in with their own willpower, I'll be happy.
We got one from you. Yay!
Truck's right there. We made it. Alive.
Yay!
A nice little room.
Yeah.
We left the hotel. We are on our way to the track. Loaded up more transmission fluid into the power steering. Seems to be working, so. Oh! Oh, it sounds so bad, but it's also so good at the same time. I don't like it, but I kind of like it. Should make it alive.
I hope so.
Discount smoke, so we're in that part of Shannonville now. Woo! Sounds like a turd. We made it, let's go. Woo! I am so pumped. I am so pumped. Oh, copyrighted. Birthplace of champions. You hear that, Amy? We're champions.
Sure.
I am so excited. So excited that the truck sounds like it's gonna die. We got the car unloaded.
So people like now, or an Instagram logo, right?
I don't know. That was weird. Alright, we're here. We made it. The truck's still leaking, but that's okay. It's all over the inside of the friggin' wheel and everything, but we're gonna throw the bumper on. So let's find our zip tie holes. Where are our zip tie holes? Where are our zip tie holes? Actually, that one stays on by itself. There. That's on. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's filming.
So definitely just start doing laps and feeling like when the car comes out, you know?
Okay.
Alright. So yeah, just go out. And just kind of do a lap, feel out the space you have, maybe get some speed up, you know? Feel where the power comes on, where it comes off. Yeah. You gotta be careful, little throws in.
What?
Little chuck in, and then let go of the wheel. Little chuck with a clutch kick. Yeah. Try faster entry speed. You're going a little quicker, yeah. Yeah, there you go. You can play with the throttle a bit too to add and take away angle. So if you start feeling good like that, you can always let off and let it straight and then get back into it. You don't want to go a bit faster, like throw it in now hard. There you go. Oh yeah. Natural, buddy. Got momentum. It's a little bit weird on transition and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, he's flagging us now, so. How in the?
Yeah, there you go. Woo-wee!
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Sunday morning. We are already in line, like 20 minutes early. There's one car ahead of us, and no cars no cars behind us.
There's one car.
Oh fuck, one car behind us. I didn't see him. I don't have a mirror here, okay? Or here. It's gone. The only one I got is that, but it's so friggin' faded. Yeah! So far, it's been good. It rained a little last night. A little bit in the morning, but not too bad at all.
The new wheel.
Put the new quick release on yesterday. There we go, look at that.
So excited.
Just let the clutch hit, wait till he's in. Catch it the other way. There you go. There you go. There you go. Catch it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice job. Nice. There you go. Goodbye to the tracks. Man. So yeah, goodbye Shannonville. Survived our first weekend. Hopefully we make it home now. The car, nothing broke. The truck, well, got an exhaust leak. And also sprung a power steering leak. One of the lines is just piston fluid. Oh yeah. Alrighty, we're on way home. Hopefully we make it alive. worth it? Totally. Thanks for watching if you watched this far, but hopefully I can put out more of them.